beer of the day, Torpedo IPA, of course, from Sierra Nevada. I'm going to stare at the camera. It is so hard because to see myself, I'm over here in the mirror. So I'm going to stare at myself. I'm not looking at the camera. Then if I look at the camera, I can't see myself. Oh, the struggle is real. Okay. I don't know if I should. I guess I'm going to start with an unboxing. We'll just do a quick one. I just have one box here. This is from Ulta, of course. So I actually signed up for Ebates and bought this through Ebates. So I got cash back for this, which is kind of cool. And so far I like it. I guess they give you like a check. This is not sponsored, by the way, whatsoever. I guess they give you a check like 4 times a year. And so whatever you've accumulated in that time, they send it to you as long as it's over $5. Makes sense to me. And I'm like, well, I need some money, honey. Let's do it. And like I said, so far, so good. Some extra, lots of those things. Okay. Trench. Oh, yes. I got this because the scent sounded really good. Let's see. This is the Ulta Foaming Hand Soap in Lavender Mint. I mean, first of all, my favorite color combination is lavender and mint. Oh, it smells good. I didn't realize it was going to be so liquidy. I don't know why, but yeah. So that's that. Put that in the bathroom. Yes, girl. Okay, that's my sample. That in a second. Oh, yes, this I have been really coveting since they launched that. This is the Fairies highlight palette. You guys know. You know I love the original highlight palette. So the original one has pink, gold, and peach in it. And then let's open up the Fairies version. There's a lot of versions. I also want the angel one like that. Way bad. And it comes in like a little plastic unit carton. And then this is what it looks like. The back shows you the shades. Limecrime is cruelty free. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So here we go. Take that off. And those are the shades. Hobie, should I swatching them? Should I swatching them? Yes. I always forgot I need to swatch on this arm. I have tattoos on the other one. Okay, there's the finger swatches, and then there are the arm swatches. How do they look in this lighting? They're pretty, but I don't know if you can see them. Oh yeah, there they are. Really, I'm living for these colors. I thought this was more, like this is definitely gold and purple, and then this one is actually a little bit more of like a bronze, which is great. It looks really pretty. Okay, cool. I'm so happy. You guys want to see these also? Do I wear them all the time? Okay. I'll do it because I can. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So that's all 6 of the highlights that I have. Okay, cool. We're definitely gonna play with that for sure. All right. Yeah, so I've been on the hunt for a new liquid liner, liquid felt tip liner or brush tip liner, like a pen liner basically. I love the Kat Von D the Kat Von D tattoo liner is fantastic. I just don't want to pay for it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to try this, the Ardell eyeliner. This is the Fame Chaser liquid eyeliner. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. Actually like got really nice packaging. So like this part is a matte that has like a little glossy end on the back butt of it. That's cool. Okay. Oh, it's like really short. Okay. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, it's very black for sure. We'll let that dry down for a second. Interesting. Well, we're gonna have to try it on the eyes definitely, so we'll do that. And then the last thing I bought is this from JCat, which is like a brush cleaning mat or whatever. It's cute. I you guys didn't know, teal is one of the main colors in our house, so I thought I'd get one that matches the house. You can just put this in the sink and clean your brushes on it. It's got little nubbies. So I've been wanting one of those for a while. I was going to get the Sigma one, but like $6? More than $20? Which one you gonna try first, girl? You know what I'm saying? My head itches. All right, let's look at the samples we got. Okay, we got Black Opium from Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent. How do you say that? I don't even know. It really smells pretty good.